The AI skill that matters most is not prompting. It is the 10 seconds after the draft appears, when you decide whether it deserves your name. Anyone can generate polished language now. A client email, a proposal, a summary for leadership. That was never the hard part. The hard part is knowing whether it is true, right for this moment, and safe to send. Because AI is very good at producing plausible answers. Plausible is not the same as correct. It can blend facts, miss a caveat, use outdated information, or give you a technically accurate message that is completely wrong for the person receiving it. That is the difference between using AI as autocomplete and using it as a collaborator. Autocomplete predicts what is likely to come next. A trusted collaborator gives you options, accelerates the work, and reduces the blank page problem. But it does not inherit responsibility for the result. You do. So install this verification loop before anything important leaves your desk. First, verify the facts. Names, dates, numbers, sources, quotes, calculations. If an error would change someone's decision, check the original source. Confident wording is not evidence. Second, fit it to the moment. Is this right for this audience, this relationship, and these stakes? A clean customer email can still be tone deaf. A polished summary can still omit the one risk leadership needs to see. Third, own it before it ships. Ask one question. If someone challenged this tomorrow, could I defend it? If the answer is no, it is not ready. It is just a draft wearing a convincing outfit. And here is the career implication. The people becoming harder to replace are not simply the fastest at prompting. They are the people their teams trust to catch what the machine missed. Speed is common, judgment is rare. Use AI to move faster. Then take 10 seconds to verify, contextualize, and own the work. That small pause is not friction. It is the upgrade. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the update, not behind it.